Hey guys, what's up? I'm Boyka, and on this video I'm going to show you how to make above $50 just by playing Mech Arena. So if you don't know already, there's this website called Freecash, and if you don't know already, it pays you to play games or to do surveys. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below for this website, so you can come over here and start doing this offer. And right now they have this offer right here for Mech Arena. If you click on it, you're gonna see right over here that it is from Freecash, from the website itself, and we have 4 types of different ways to earn rewards. If you look at the rewards over here, you're gonna see that the first one is kill 300 mech in total in 3 days, and you're gonna get 15,000 coins. 15,000 coins equals to 15 USD. The second one is going to be get pilot Neymar from loyalty program in 7 days, and this one is gonna give you 8,400 coins, which is going to equal to $8.40. The third one is open 2008 coins in 7 days, which is going to give you 12,000 coins, which equals to $12. And finally, we have reach division 9, which gives you 9,000 coins, which is $9. How you start this offer is by clicking over here to start offer, which is going to lead you to another page where you're going to download the game. You're going to create your account and install the game, and then open the game, and you're going to start completing these offers over here. Now I'm going to go to Mech Arena and show you how to do that. As you can see right here, I'm in the game right now, and I have 3 mechs in total unlocked. When you first download the game, you're gonna only have 1 mech, and it's going to be this guy over here, and you're gonna also get this skin in the beginning. So what you wanna do is look at your offers, and you have in total 4 of them, and decide on which one you want to complete first. Offer 1 and 4 you can complete at the same time. So offer 1 was to kill 300 mech in the span of 3 days. If you want to see how many kills you have gotten, go over here to the top left corner, click on your picture, and your kills are going to be displayed over here. Offer 4 is going to be to reach division 9, and I think this is going to be the easiest one to do so far. If you want to see your division, go over here to the top, click on it, and you're going to see your division over here, or you can see it in like a small display over here. When you first start the game, you're going to be in this division over here, which is called the Rookie Division, or also known as Division 11. And from there, you're going to slowly go down to Division 10 and then 9. And after you reach this division over here, you're going to complete the 4th offer. This offer is going to take you around 5 to 10 minutes. To complete offer 1, you're going to do that by going to battle over here, click on it, and the first thing you're going to see is going to be quick match. This is the only one you're going to be able to play when you first download the game. After you reach certain divisions, you're going to unlock these ones over here as well, which is the tournament. And in my opinion, this is the fastest way to get kills. But the only way to play in the tournaments is going to be by these tickets over here. And you can see those tickets up here. As you can see, I have right now 4 out of 12. You get these tickets basically by completing some in-game quests, by playing the quick matches. By playing the quick matches, you're gonna get on average 5 kills every single match, 5 to 6 kills. And if you play in the tournaments, you're gonna get about 10 to 15 kills. To complete offer 1 for me, it took only 2 hours, but for you it might take longer, it might take shorter, depending on how good you play. But you can complete this offer easily in day 1 of playing. When we got offer 2, it is to get pilot Neymar from loyalty program in 7 days. How you do that is by going down over here, and it says Neymar Jr. Click on that, and here you're gonna see that we have like a small event for 7 days. And if you log in the span of 7 days, you're gonna basically get Neymar Jr. as a pilot. As you can see right now, I'm in day 2, and in 5 days, basically I'm gonna get the pilot Neymar, and after that I'm gonna get my points. In this offer, you can't really do anything to basically bypass it quickly. You just have to log in 7 days in a row to be able to unlock this reward. And finally, we have offer 3, and in my opinion, which is the hardest one, open 2008 coins in 7 days. The 8 coins you're gonna see on the top right corner of your screen. They're gonna be these ones over here in the pink color. As you can see right now, I have 2091 of those. And to be able to complete the offer you have in Freecash, what you have to do is basically collect in total 2008 coins. I know that in the offer it says open 2008 coins, but it is not to open 2008 coins. What they mean is to collect 2008 coins in the span of 7 days. And after you have done that, you're gonna basically get your points in Freecash. After you have completed these offers, you're not gonna get your coins immediately in your account. For example, for the 4th offer, which is to reach division 9, you have to wait 14 days to get your coins in your account. For offer 1, which is to kill 300 mech in the span of 3 days, you have to wait 30 days to get the coins in your account. And for offer 3, which is to get 2008 coins in the span of 7 days, you have to wait 30 days to get your coins in your account. Since I haven't completed the offer 2, I do not know how long you have to wait to be able to get these coins in your account. but I'm assuming it's gonna be from 14 days to 30 days, so here you just have to wait a little bit to get your coins. And I know what you're thinking right now, the offer gives you $44.40, and how do we make that to $50 as it says on the title of this video? How we're gonna do that is go over here to cash out, and we're gonna choose stake. When you click on stake, you're gonna see that we get 15% bonus when we cash out on stake. What you wanna do is select the one you wanna cash out with. I'm gonna select LTC over here, and here you have to type your stake name, and after that here the amount that you wanna cash out. The amount you're gonna get from this offer is going to be 44,400 points. And if you look down here with the 15% bonus you get from stake cash out, you're gonna get additionally 6,660 points. If you do the math, this is going to go up to 51,060 points, which is going to equal to $51.06. And there we go. This is basically how to earn money while playing Mech Arena. Again, I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description so you can come over here to this website and start earning money immediately. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you on my next video. Bye bye. Take care.